really enjoyed my first day at Space Camp. Everyone's making new friends and it's such a happy atmosphere.
Absolutely fantastic to see the children engaging through electronics, through to the discussion that we just had this evening, we'll ask an expert. It's to see their faces light up as they've actually fixed a problem, or they've had one of the questions that they've been too nervous to ask answered. It's absolutely inspirational for them.
Yeah, well, it has been quite inspiring for me because I was planning on joining the RAF already, but now I want to do it even more.
Favourite part's probably being the scuba diving. I really enjoyed it because it felt like I got a real experience on how to feel completely weightless and how to communicate underwater. Even though it was challenging, it did help me a lot knowing that there's more ways to communicate than just your mouth.
Space Camp has been absolutely wonderful, and I've been so impressed with the level of engagement, the understanding, the commitment of the children that have been here, the variety of subjects they've been covering, from coding and looking at how a Mars rover would operate, to looking at how astronauts operate, using weightless by using the diving techniques. Utterly amazing, and it's just been a fantastic opportunity for children of all ages to learn about these subjects, which is so important.
I would say just keep persevering to succeed. Always persevere. There will be many setbacks along the way, but as long as you have that grit and determination to just keep going, then you should always succeed.